Now we will install Xampp server on our local machine, or we can say we will use Xampp server as our local host. In order to do this, we need to go to google.com, and on google.com we will type in the search box Xampp download. Just we type it here, and then we get lots of results that is related with Xampp server download, Xampp download, and we will go, and our the first choice would be Apache Friends. So Apache Friends is popular for Xampp server, and that is so we will go to Apache Friends website, and then here we can see all the latest version of Xampp, and Xampp for Windows. We see here Xampp for Linux and also Xampp for Mac OS. And all here we can see the version. Here it is 1, 2, 3. Three latest versions are available with us. So what we will do here, we will download the 7.4. We can download any of them. But for now we want to we just download 7.4.15. So just and we will also compatible just check for the compatibility with our system. So for now I am going to download 64-bit. So just we click on download button, and then it gets started downloading. So you can see here, but I have already downloaded jump.exe file, so I'm just going to make it cancel. And then what we do, just I am going to jump.exe file that is in here it is in my system, and we will just double click it. So let's make it double click, and now it gets started installing. So let us see what it asks first. See, it is asking, so antivirus is running on your system. So antivirus is creating some problems. So basically this pop-up message um, may display on your system or might not be displayed on your system. So that depends. If it displays on your system, then just click yes, and then you see this system also related with the permission. So user account control. So this may be seen on your system or may not be. So just click on OK, and then here it comes with the setup wizard. So we just need to click next, and then here we can see the options what we need. And so by default we can select all the options, or whatever the default settings or default selection is there. Just we just click on next, and then again this is in what folder the Xampp is going to be installed. So here Xampp is going to be installed in C folder. So just make it next, or you can also change it D, E, whatever folder you need to install it. But for now let's keep it as it is. So just click on next, and then it's a language. So it's better, English language is better for now. And then just we click next, and now it is saying setup is now ready to begin installing Xampp on your computer. So just wait couple of seconds, and let's see. Then click on next. Now we click on finish, and our Xampp installation is completed. So in order to check whether the Xampp installation has been installed successfully or not, so just click on here is Xampp control panel. Pop-up is opened, and we click on start Apache server, and then start MySQL server, and then we go to the browser, and in new tab go to the new tab, and then here we type localhost. Just type it here, and we see we are on the localhost dashboard, and here we can see php myadmin, php info pages. Here we can also see php myadmin, that is for the database. So we have successfully installed Xampp server. Now in next lesson, in next chapter, in next lecture, we will learn how to install WordPress. So thanks for now and have a nice day, and let's meet in the next lecture. So